Feeling used, but I'm still missing you.
New project. Stock videos. Black background. And audio. Extract audio from the videos.
Feeling used, but I'm feeling used, but I'm still missing.
Select the video. Add keyframe when every song words start like this.
Used, but I'm still missing you. Feeling used, but I'm still missing you. All these white lies.
Select text.
Got me hypnotized. Get out of my head, get into my bed, I'm broken.
Select
It's
any
only
front.
a matter of time. Shifting my paradigm.
Select Ram Raja front.
You hurt me, I'm sinking and drowning, and I don't deserve it.
Go to animation.
Heart is frozen.
Select blur animation.
And I'm just a drop in the ocean.
Length 1.0 seconds. Go to out animation again.
I'm just a drop in the ocean.
In select blur animation length 1.0 seconds. Select the text and copy this set. The copy one when second words start for better set that joy set. Look at the screen. Now click the copy one and go to style now. Now edit the text, change color. Go to animation. Select the blur animation. Go to out animation. Select blur animation. Now look at the screen how I set on now.
All these white lies, feeling got me hypnotized. Still missing you.
First step complete. Now export this. Again go to new project, select the previous video. Go to effect. Go to video effect.
Drop in the ocean.
"2,000 years later."
Feeling used, but I'm still missing you.